Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into how to assign tasks and track their completion status in Todoist. Start by launching Todoist on your device. Make sure you've logged in to your account. This is your first step because without it, you'd have nothing to assign or track, right? Now, let's move on. Next up is creating a task. Click on the plus icon on the bottom right of your screen. Type in your task and press enter. This helps us because it sets the groundwork for what needs to be done. Now that we've done that, let's assign the task. On the task details page, click on the Assign To field. A drop-down menu will appear, showing all members of your project. Select the person you want to assign the task to. The reason we do this is to delegate responsibilities effectively within the team. After the task has been assigned, it's time to set a due date. Click on the Schedule field. A calendar will pop up. Choose the date and click Set Due Date. This helps us because it creates a timeline for the task to be completed. Now, tracking the completion status is the final step here. In the Activity tab, you can view the status of each task. You'll see whether it's completed, in progress, or not started. Let me explain why this matters. This way, you can keep an eye on the progress of all tasks, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. So, in a nutshell, assigning tasks and tracking their completion status in Todoist is a straightforward process that helps you manage your tasks effectively. Remember, create the task, assign it, set a due date, and track its status. And there you have it, a complete 2025 guide to task management in Todoist. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.